the team just created an application. So what was its purpose? Basically, we wanted to check the booking of items. When items are booked in their sales, they wanted to manage that data. And once an item is booked, by checking it, they can avoid duplicate bookings. So for them, we developed a technology on an app. Here, all their items will be displayed and the photos will also be visible there. Here they can search for items and add them to the cart. When they add to the cart, it will ask them a few questions like what type of booking this is and how many days of buffer they need before the booking so that they can block those days for cleaning. Similarly, for orders, pickups, etc. And when returning, how many days of buffer they need after the return. The item will become available again. We can enter a nominal amount here. Now, similarly, if some jewelry is going along with an outfit, for example, we can add that as well. Basically, the essential details that were previously filled in will be automatically pre-filled, and we can then proceed to accurately enter the specific amount for this particular item as well. Since we've added both items together, you can now check the card from here. Here, I will update the name of the salesperson, which salesperson handled this, and what type of client it is. The client list will automatically be displayed here. If I change the category, the clients will also change accordingly. And their phone number is mandatory. How many items there are, the total length, how much advance has been received, how much cleaning has been done, all these details will be auto calculated here. We will carefully save this important information, and after a relatively short period of time has passed, we will then proceed to confidently click the designated button. So the booking has been added here. We are moving the items inside this. It's slow, but that's fine. It gets done quickly. Okay, so it has updated this. So in this button, the two items and their respective dates will be displayed here accordingly. The benefit of this is that we can directly provide the item card. I booked this from here. So basically it was booked for the next one. Okay, so it has updated this. So this button had two items and their dates will be shown here accordingly. The benefit of this is that we can book any item. I have booked this from here. So basically I booked it for next month, the 5th of July. This is basically their booking date from the 15th to the 18th. They needed a 10-day buffer, and after the booking ends, they needed an additional 5-day buffer. And similarly, in the master calendar, this also gets marked as sold. For each item, a calendar showing the upcoming 60 days will appear on the right side here. So which dates the item is already booked and from which date it is available, that is shown as blank in the slot. So here we had booked an outfit and also a necklace. This necklace. Yes, so for the necklace as well, it will appear like this. And if I want to book the same item again, it will show here that it is not available on the upcoming date. I will have to change the date for this. To begin, I will proceed with the necessary steps to modify the current date setting within the system. This involves navigating to the specific interface or section where date adjustments are permitted. Upon accessing this area, I will carefully select the desired new date from the available options, which may include a calendar interface, drop-down menus, or direct input fields. The selection process requires precision to ensure the correct temporal value is chosen. Once the new date has been accurately identified and input, the subsequent crucial action is to securely save these modifications. The act of saving is paramount as it commits the newly selected date to the system's permanent records, thereby updating all relevant data points and ensuring that all future operations, displays, and functionalities reflect this revised temporal information. This comprehensive procedure ensures that the date is not only successfully altered, but also properly integrated, stored, and made persistent across the entire application's functionalities guaranteeing that the system operates with the most current and accurate date information. This meticulous approach to changing and saving the date is essential for maintaining data integrity and operational accuracy within the system. Thank you. And I have entered another handset into the inventory, so I'm booking it here. Right now, I'm basically adding it to the cart, and after that, I have brought the latest from the booking post.